Today I bring you to another adventure. And if you watch my videos, and if you're new subscribers, you know I take you different places that has a walking trail, place to walk. Today we are in Dillsboro, Indiana. And I'm hoping the name of this park is on this sign. The last time I've been here was with my dog Stormy. It was pretty much about a year ago today, yeah. Today we're here with Kit. We will be getting Kit on here, and I will get the name of the sign as soon as I pass it. You would think I would remember these things, wouldn't you? But have you met me? Sometimes I don't even know my own age. Dillsboro Walking Trail. You was right. You was right. Okay, Mr. Kit, let's swing the camera down. You ready? All these new smells. I don't eat that. All these new smells. You're going to be brand spanking new today, ain't you? Oh, yeah. You usually are when you're in a new place. Well, guys, today's video will not have music. Sad to say, I will get into that when we get up further. My son Damien said to me back about 2 weeks ago, Dad, you're still able to use free, royalty-free music on your YouTube channel from YouTube. I was like, I couldn't find it. See, we was able to do that for the longest time. YouTube did a changeover, now they're charging for it. Well, according to my son Damien, okay, Kit stay, there's still royalty-free music out there I could use. Guys, I can't find it. So I asked him to show it to me. He said he will when he gets time. He's a busy man. So if you guys know anything about that, leave it down in the comments. I do want to put music back in some of my videos, especially when we get off to the trails and hiking. We was going to do a hike today, but it's muddy. It rained all night last night and a good portion of this morning. So we'll get some beauty shots and I guess talk. And Kit is just getting some sniffers. Look at that view, y'all. Big open field. Beautiful clouds. Oh my gosh. That would make a great time lapse. That's another reason I want to get the music back so I can start doing my time lapses again. And then we got Kit that's eating something off the trail. And here's the trail. And Kit's pulling me to the side. That's right, Kit. Make it hard for Dad to video. It's okay. I would be brand new too. Sometimes when I'm doing the editing and I catch the camera doing something like this, like that, and I'm like, what the hell, Michael? You know better than that. You've been doing this video stuff for years. You're good at the camera. I was like, oh, that's because I hit Kit. And sometimes without even knowing, Kit will pull me. And to make the camera jerk. So when the camera jerks like that and I can't edit that out, sometimes I can. You guys don't know why. Oh, another beautiful shot. All right, Kit, sit. 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 Come on, sit. Sit down. Good boy. Just because we're in a new place don't mean you cannot act like you've never been trained. Forward. You're supposed to wait for me to say forward. Okay. You got a free pass only because you're brand new right now. But look at this. Holy smokes. I think this makes the 5th time that my wife and I actually have walked this. The last 4 times was with Stormy. My God, it's so beautiful. Holy smokes. Doing what I usually do best. Walk backwards as Angie walks to me. This is when I usually put music to the videos. And sometimes when I do this, I almost fall on my butt. Are you waiting for me to fall? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, that might help because we didn't bring poop bags with us. You're so smartical. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I married you because you're smart. Smile, damn it!
I am. Cursed on here?
Yes, I cursed on my videos. I'm allowed to say curse word here and there. Angie hates it when I put the camera in her face. Oh my God, does she ever hate it? Lots of people hate it. That's why I don't put the camera in too many people's face. And yes, I said damn it. I said damn it again. Damn it ain't a bad word. I mean, think about it. My father used to say, damn man, a bad work. Because one time he went to the damn man to get some damn water. Damn man didn't have no damn water. So my father said, I don't want your damn water anyway. And none of that was dirty. Well, maybe. Oh, my wife pointed out an interesting place for a cigarette butt holder. I have to say it is. It's in the middle of the trail. And yet there's a cigarette butt holder. But that's good though. And it makes me happy if people actually use it. Because that way it keeps it off this beautiful trail. Now, the last time we was here, I think is when they just blacktopped this. Don't quote me, I could be wrong. We're gonna walk up and around yonder, and way over there is where we parked at. I do love the beauty here. And once again, I wish we had something like this in my town. Of course, we do have the Dearborn County trails. And it's quite beautiful, but still, something like this, I wish we had it too. Just saying. Oh, the clouds are talking, guys. Don't know if that's rain clouds or not, but boy, is that beautiful. Oh my gosh. It is beautiful. All right, Mr. Kit, let's keep going, buddy. Let's keep going. All right, Miss Angie. We're gonna try to possibly add a little bit of light to this picture. I'm sure I'm gonna have to in Photoshop. Maybe make this a thumbnail and put Stormy somewhere behind us.
You mean Kit?
Yeah. I still do it, guys. I still do it. I'm not the only one. Angie does it from time to time, and my kids do it. It's only been 10 months since we lost Stormy. 10 months. So it's going to happen. It's going to happen. What do you think, Kit? What do you think? Oh, this is so beautiful. Parking spots right here, and you just go up and follow it on down, and then we'd be headed way down that way. And Mr. Kit, you liking it here? He's still pulling me. Every now and then I let him get some sniffers. He's smelling all kinds of other dogs that have been here. Yeah, got a little breeze today though. It's got nip to it, but not bad. And that cloud cover behind you is so beautiful. Oh wow. I don't know, these clouds are talking today. Okay, carry on. All right, in the edit, I'm gonna probably try to zoom in this shot because you got 2 horses over there in that barn. And the thing about Kit, he notices things, but not as quick as Stormy did. Stormy would have noticed them horses right off the bat. Kit, maybe it's because he's still a puppy yet. I don't know. It's not terribly cold out here today, but I should have worn my gloves because part of my camera holder, yeah, it's on an extendable stick is what it is, and 99% of it's metal. And when I grab the metal part of it when I'm doing the walking, because I'm only been doing the vlog entries every so often, it freezes your hand. All right, guys, let me turn around. Now we are at the far end of the trail. Now we gotta go back that way, and it's a long way back. Gotta make sure Angie's okay because her back is still twitching every now and then. And I want to thank you guys for your concerns about Ange. Thank you all for that. Your back doing okay?
Yes.
Good, good. I see Santa Claus over there. Not the real one. No, just a kind of, you know, holds air. I was gonna say the kind that's blown up. And I kind of still said it. It is blown up. On this side, we're walking by some houses across the street. I wouldn't mind living up here. Just imagine though, living on this street and right across or living in one of them houses over yonder, and right across the street you have this. Oh my God, how convenient would that be for my walks? How convenient would that be for you, kid? Oh heck yeah. Angie, can we sell our house and buy a house up here?
Sure.
It may be a little longer for the work thing, but you know, I work at home, and what would you say? About 15 more minutes, maybe 20 minutes further to go to work for you?
Yeah.
That ain't bad. Yeah, we're gonna sell our house and buy one here. Just saying. Well, kid, do you like this walking trail, buddy? Huh? Okay, stay. Stay. What do you think, kid? Hey, you like it? Well, guys, we'll go around this teeny little bit of corner right here and go right on down that way. Well, I say a little bit shy of a half a mile, we'd be at the car. We'll be at the car.
The car?
You doing okay?
Yes.
All right. My gosh, look at that, Angie. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh, my Lord. I guess you guys could tell I love clouds. Dark ones, them were storm clouds right there, folks. All right, continue on. As far as using that picture back with Angie and I as a thumbnail, I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. Usually when I do the videos, if I don't have a planned out thumbnail, I find parts of the video and I make the thumbnail. But my gosh, I'm going to turn around here. Oh my Lord. I'm telling you what, the clouds, if anything, won today. And I do believe Kit does like the trail up here. Okay, Put. Oh,
grass.
He does want grass. You want grass? Go ahead, grass. Yeah, that's one of my commands when I walk, Kit.
I didn't say eat it.
Yeah, don't eat it. Is when after a good piece of walking, he's like grass, and he goes over the grass, he gets some sniffers. And then before we start back off again, I was like, okay, Kit, road. Stay. All right, Kit, sit. Come on. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Stay. Forward. And that's how I usually train Kit when I do what I call the walk train. We both get something out of it. Closer it gets to the new year, and definitely after New Year, we're going to be going to the training or the hiking and get Kit on some of the trails. We're mainly going to stick with Versailles State Park and Batesville. I do want to make it out there and show you guys. I'm sure if you go back to my videos, as I have it in there many times, Batesville Park, which is called, I believe, Freedom Park, is one of the nicest parks there ever was. The town of Batesville really cares about its residents. It truly does, because they are constantly adding things and fixing things at the park. Not only it's a park, it has multiple hiking trails. Oh, I just hit a slick spot, so be careful, hon. Yeah. Funny thing is, I'm not wearing my walking shoes that I usually do the walks in today. Now, for some reason, I just didn't wear them. All right, guys, we will tune back in. The clothes are out. I say we're about maybe 15 minutes from the car, and we'll see you there. All right, guys, this will conclude today's video. And like I said in the last couple videos, I'll be saying this a lot. If you like the video, hit that like button, because it does help my channel out. And I would like my channel to start growing. And if you want to see more places like this, definitely put it down in the comments. Got any questions, comments, or concerns? I will answer them. And until the next adventure, which may just be a walking vlog, I'm guessing, I don't know. Actually, it might be a Christmas thing. Yeah, I want to do something for Christmas, because Christmas is coming up. Until next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.